Look, I'm just gonna come right out and tell you, I only made one sale in the Q4 craze, okay? In the whole Q4, I only made one sale. If you want to hear what happened, stick around. Hello, guys, welcome. My name is Emily, and I started my candle business about 2 months ago. Actually, not yet 2 months. January 7th will give me a whole full 2 months, and I am proud to say that I made a single sale. I made a sale, and the reason why this is a big deal is because this one sale, this person did not know me. Now, this is how I calculate if I actually made sales. Yes, some family and friends bought my candle, but I don't count it in the scheme of have I sold anything, because it's family, it's friends. I feel like they will support me because they are family and friends. But I was very excited to have a sale from a non-family and friend. I don't even know who this person is. They saw my candle in Etsy and they purchased it, which is amazing and crazy at the same time, because I mean, it's so easy to see another person's product and just buy it. It's easy to go to Walmart and buy something. It's easy to see something online and purchase it, but it's quite interesting when it comes to your product. Being able to stand out, being able for people to see your product among all the other products that they could potentially be purchasing, and they find you, especially if you have imposter syndrome, like, oh my gosh, there are so many other candles that are better than mine, they look better, and but these people are kind of like, they are picking my candle. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. So I was very excited. It was Christmas time. I think it was a little bit the week before Christmas. That was when I got the order. I was just sitting down and I got the thing. I was like, oh my gosh. And it was somebody I didn't even know in a whole different state. So I was very, very excited about that. And that kind of like just gave me the excitement to keep pushing. I had a plan in terms of like, you know, shooting. Sometimes people tell you to like aim high, right? And you aim high and you aim low. And even when you don't achieve your low, it's kind of like, oh my gosh. Because my low was like 6 candles. Like, I would like to sell 6 candles in a month, right? And I figured, I mean, it's Christmas time. People buy a lot of candle. This shouldn't be like too much to reach. It shouldn't be such a big goal that I cannot achieve it. My dear, when the 1 month went by and I did not achieve it, I was like, keep pushing. I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, we still got Christmas around the corner. Something is gonna happen, okay? You know, uh, as we started getting close to before Christmas, I said, Che, what is going on? I'm even paying for ads at this point, and still nothing is like, I'm not catching any fish. You get, but it's okay. I've just started, and I had to remind myself constantly, like when you see people saying, "Oh, I'm packaging 1,000 orders, I'm packaging 100 orders." Oh my goodness, not to compare yourself, because you don't know how long it took them to get there. Either building their platform, building their audience, their presence, and I'm just here, literally just started. So, but just getting that one order was, I don't know who you are, but I'm grateful that you picked my candle to, go on a journey with you, to go on your study journey, to go on your productivity journey. So, I pray that you do achieve what you're looking to achieve. And yeah, but 2 months, it's exciting. at the same time, it's nerve-wracking at the same time because around this time things are so slow. But we have Valentine's coming up, and I'm preparing for that. Um, and we will see. For Q4, did I prepare well enough to be successful? I don't know, and I don't even know what to equate it to see if I prepared well. But I think maybe posting products, yes, I could have done better. But there's so many things. You look at your nails, you're like, oh my gosh, my nails. I'm seeing everybody's nails. I got 2 kids, okay? I don't know how to have, you know, one. I like I like a bit of length, just a little bit, right? But even that one scares me because I can't scratch my baby's face all anytime. So I'm like, not happening. And just to get the time to go out of the house to get my nails done and all that stuff, still not, still no. But you come, oh my gosh, my nails chipped or something. Oh my gosh, I look crazy today. I can't make a video because of that. Oh my gosh, this happened. Oh my gosh, that happened. It's kind of like, come on, Emily. When would you make this video? And I think that was something that really, stopped me. Um, and, but I'm deciding 2025, it don't matter. Just bring up content and keep growing from there. Just pull out something and keep growing from there. I cannot grow if I don't have anything to learn and to see and to better. So 2025, if you see a video and I'm looking a little questionable, my dear people, it's okay. I'm fine, okay? It's just life. Life is life, and we have to. I want to do this now that I'm young instead of like when I'm older and then I sit down and start regretting. Oh my gosh, I just want to try. I want to push and try my best and then see what results it brings. And I pray to keep growing too, to better every video. Not to get better, to get better, to get better. But that's one of my 2025 goals, to push out more content about my candles, about my, the use of how to use my candles and all that stuff. So, yeah, that's one thing I do want to implement. Attend more shows. So I had so many opportunities to attend markets or fairs in December, but I also had prior engagements like weddings and family, birthdays that I've already planned to attend. So I couldn't cancel because my kids have already, especially for the birthdays, they're already so excited to go. So I had to take an L on that one. So, and then seeing family. I live so far away from my families and I haven't seen them in a while. So it was either cancel seeing family and go to sell in markets or see families. I mean, it's Christmas, so it's Christmas time, so I'm like, I'll take an L on that one too. So, yeah, but there are things that just came up, but it's okay. I think, I mean, even if it happens again, I feel like I'll still choose the same route I went, but I think maybe just plan a little bit better, especially during those hot seasons. Maybe not schedule things exactly in those times, but maybe do it later on. So yeah, I plan to attend more markets, get my name out there, get the brand out there, have people get familiar with my candles, with the smell, with the brand, what we're all about. So that's also another thing that I plan to implement in 2025. But yeah, first 2 months, I'm excited. It didn't go as interesting as I thought it would be. I mean, you watch so many videos and people just make it look easy until you kind of like get into it, and especially if you don't have like big funds to to put into something. Like if you don't have big funds to put into, and I love aesthetic videos, but I'm never satisfied with how mine look. I don't know why. I'm like, how do these people? So that's maybe another thing. Um, watch some content or learn more about how to present my product, tell my story better. Um, I think that would greatly help me out. It's interesting when people say talk about business. It's less more about the product and more about talking to people and getting them to believe in your product. Because I have my candles, I've learned how to do them. I still keep working on them, but I think they're in a good shape now. But now it's like, how do you get people to understand or get people to come to that point where they're like, you know what, I like this person's message, I like this person's product, I want to purchase it, especially if you're online too, where they're not seeing your candles, especially candles are something that you smell, they're not like necklaces or earring and seeing like, that looks pretty, you know. It's something that you have to, and especially I'm not like in the food candle arena or the, you know, um or the cutesy, because I've seen some really good candles and I'm like, dang, they look so good. I'm not in that arena, so convincing someone that something that you have, that they will like it, especially if it's online, it's kind of hard. So, what we will say, how that goes, and yeah, I can't wait to grow more in 2025. I'm looking forward to how this business will be by the end of 2025 by God's grace. If it's in my language, we say, but we'll see. We'll see how much it grows. We'll see how much I grow as a person. Um, and we'll see how much this business affects my life, because I want to pass on something to my kids, for them, like a trade or something, for them to grow up and lean on, and seeing mom work hard so much, I want them to kind of get those traits, those traits of like, don't give up, work hard, especially when you're telling somebody work hard. You yourself have to also exhibit the action, to some extent. So yeah, I can't wait to see what 2025 has. I know I rumbled quite a lot, but if learn about candles, and maybe starting a business, if it's something that you're interested in watching, and or you're just interested in watching other people navigate this world and try to figure it out, you can join too. Yeah. So for this channel, I plan on making um, videos on how to use my candle, study with my videos. I would like to make a career switch to data engineer. Um, yeah. So I am studying up to see if that's the right fit for me. I chose that because the right fit for me. If that's something that you're interested in content, making a career shift or anything like that, welcome. So yeah.